Hey everybody, Jen Keenan here at the Four Squares Residential Group at Keller Williams Real Estate, coming to you with my Love the Way You Live video series. This month I want to talk about hand railings. So I recently had my driveway and new steps done here, and in the process of having that work done at my house, we had to get a new railing for these set of stairs. Now, the railing that we had, we wanted to keep it. It had some beautiful design work on it, not too different from this, and unfortunately, it wasn't the right size once we had our steps rebuilt. So we had to have it remade, and in addition to that, the height of the railing was too low for today's code, and the railing part on the top right here was too narrow. It has to be a certain width for somebody to grab. So we were able to call like a welder iron kind of railing person. They're out of Acton, and of course their name is escaping me, but we'll make sure to post it on the blog. But they came out, they took out our old railing, and they actually used it as a template to make this new one. So the design of the kind of square spindle here and the curved spindle here and this design here in the middle is very similar to what we had. They recreated it to the best of their ability at the time. They painted it all up nice and brand new, no rust, and they came back out and installed it for us when our steps were all done, and made it nice and tight and secure so that nobody falls down. So it was an interesting project, and really, you know, had me driving around Medford for a couple of weeks looking at everybody's iron railings to get some ideas, but at the end of the day really just decided to go with what we had here. So great local company. Again, we'll post their name on the blog if you ever need a brand new railing. Wasn't that expensive at all. It was less than $1,000 to have this beautiful new railing put on and installed, and they came and installed it here on site. So I hope that gave you a little bit of information if you're ever in the market for a brand new railing on some steps to take. Of course, always reach out to me if you have questions or if I can provide any additional information. And as always, until next month, I hope you love the way you live.